Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos, and the messages I'm getting, receiving calls is unbelievable. And God is giving me this opportunity to help you in many ways. Um, so in this video, I will speak about a person. His account unfortunately blocked from Uber, and TFL sent him the notice as well to answer some question. Otherwise, they say we will revoke your license as well. So this is the informal video to inform you, to aware you. You should try not to do these kind of things because you work really hard. You left your permanent jobs to do this, to work with Uber. So be careful. Try not to do some stuff. Be careful, which I will explain you what that person did, and his account was blocked. So let me explain you the letter which he received from the TFL. If you can see this one on the screen, so the TFL is saying we have received notification of an adverse nature regarding for your fitness to be licensed in line with your policies, our policies. Yeah, so they're talking about their policies. So they receive we were informed by the Uber operator that you were dismissed. Means it's his account was blocked on 27th of December 2024. He recently, couple of months ago, because today is 17th of January. Uh, we received this information from Uber dated 8th of January 2024. Okay, so means in January 2024, Uber sent them message to TFL as well. So what they are saying, I will not read this one whole letter, but if you want to read it, you can. So they are saying before we make a decisions, we want you to comment on that. So whatever actually happened means when the passenger complain about you on the Uber directly sent to TFL. So they have all your record, uh, whatever years you have been working, they will have your all complaints. Then if is lot of complaints, serious complaint, the TFL might revoke your license as well. Let's see his complaint. What was that complaint? The TFL is saying that, so safety related complaints. So Uber, this is on the 4th of February 2024. The passengers share details. Driver was using WhatsApp while driving. So just read it, because it's going to be lengthy if I read this one. This first one, try to read that one. So actually, he was messaging his wife. Driver told me that his wife was in the hospital. So then customer say do not use the mobile while you're driving. Then he get rude as well. The driver get rude. So in this regards, my advice: try not to use mobile, because if they make the video and send to T police, you will get 6 points straight away, and you TFL will revoke your license. Because if you get 6 points while using mobiles, your license is gone. You cannot work anymore. uh, yeah, so that was the complaint, first complaint, but nothing happened. Then it was continuous. Then um, this was you asking for the cash, but that was false. It was not proved. He was using phone and texting as well. So if let's say you are working, and if it's important, it's emergency, because we are human, we have a family as well. So just ask politely from the passenger, I have a call from my family is coming, maybe it could be emergency, can you receive? So just ask them and receive the call. If you want to text, stop the car, ask passenger politely, and just turn off the engine, and if you want to text you can, but park on a safe place. The next one, so he's saying, look, everything whatever you're doing it, if the passenger complain, they have all the records. Did your driver appear drowsy or sleepy? So he's asking about the sleepy thing as well, but this is false as well. But other complain in August about the is he was texting again. just read it if you want to pause this one and read it. uh, and one there was about the speeding as well. If you slow, they will complain. If you were too fast as well, they can complain as well. And Uber actually recording your speed as well, you can see in the Uber app. So but if you do too many times speeding, if the customer do complain as well, you could be in trouble as well. So try not to overspeed as well. This is my advice if you want to work as a Uber driver. So yeah, if you want to read this one, I'm gonna do slowly, try to read it. I just want to inform you, try to get the dash cam in the car as well, because if something happen with the customer, with the passenger, uh, then you can show your proof as well. Because sometimes people, they complain. Sometimes you get rude customer, rude passengers as well. So drive safe. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope so you got my point, what I want to say. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.